Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can download apps without payment method on your iPhone. So you can easily download apps without using payment method. It's very simple. You can just go to your app store and just simply download a free app which doesn't require any money or payment to get downloaded. So for example, if you see an app like this which says get, you can directly press on get and download it. But there are some paid apps which require money to download, so you gotta watch out for that. But if you haven't used any payment method on your device and you want to buy or download any app that's that wants a payment method, so it's not officially illegal to download apps directly without payment method which are which have like a price on it. So you can directly download this township or Pokemon Go by just pressing on get, and you can play this app without using any payment methods. But if you're looking for any app that requires a purchase, just like this app Shot Rocket, and it wants money, if you press on it, it'll obviously ask for payment method. So you gotta look out for that, and you gotta pay the money for your app. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.